my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Today let we start GK Unit 4, India Unlimited, Chapter number 30, Mineral Wealth. Okay, so let we start. Match these minerals with the countries that have their highest concentration. So number 1 is thorium. तो इसको हम number 2, uranium. It is Kazakhstan. D. Number 3, डायमंड. डायमंड कहाँ पे पाया जाता है? नंबर 4, एल्यूमिनियम. ए, चाइना. नंबर 5, बॉक्साइट. जे, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. सिक्स, कॉपर. सी, Chile. L, South Africa. Okay, number 8, nickel, Indonesia. Silver, Mexico. F, niobium, Brazil. H, 11, natural gas, United States. And silica. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. Chapter number 31, Mahabharata and Ramayana. Ramayana and Mahabharata are two of the greatest epics in the world. Let us see how much do you know about these. So the Mahabharata is composed by Ved Vyas. Okay, so Mahabharata is divided into 18 books and has numerous interesting characters. Okay, so here are the question answers. Let me read the questions and give the answer. How many brothers were the Kauravas? Name the queen who covered her eyes with a piece of cloth and made herself blind as her husband was blind too. Gandhari. Name the woman who was the wife of all the Pandavas. So she is Kunti. Name the woman who was the wife all Pandavas. सभी पांडवों की जो द्रौपदी. Who defeated Pandavas in the game of dice which finally resulted in 14-year exile for Dan? Shakuni. At which place did the battle between Pandavas and Kauravas take place? Kurukshetra. Number 6. Who was the charioteer of Arjuna in that battle? Krishna. The Ramayana. The Ramayana is a great Sanskrit epic written by Valmiki. It consists of 7 books having 24,000 verses and 5,000 chapters. It records the deeds of Lord Ram. Question number 1. Name the river which flows by the city of Ayodhya, the capital of Kosal. Saryu. Who was killed by King Dashrath in the forest by mistake? Shravan Kumar. Number 3. King Dashrath was the father of Bharat. Who was Bharat's mother? King Dashrath? King Dashrath, acha Bharat. Who was the Bharat mother? Kekai. Who was the father of Sita? Janak. Number 5. Who was Shurpanakha related to Raman's sister? Name the great bird who resisted Ravan while he was abducting Sita to Lanka. Jatayu. Number 7. Name the monkey god who went to Lanka as a messenger of Lord Ram. Hanuman.
Oi.
Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 32, India quiz. It is a quiz on post Independence India. Test your India quotient by answering the following questions. So question number 1. For the book The God of Small Things, which prize was won by Arundhati Roy? It is Booker Prize. The answer is Booker Prize. Number 2. In India's famous freedom fighters, trio of Lal, Bal, Pal. So who was Pal? Bipin Chandra Pal. Number 3. Stocky was the screen name of which famous Indian film music composer? R.D. Burman. Who captained India in both the 1975 and 1979 World Cup cricket? S. Venkatraman.
Grand Hit.
Number 5. Who was the only bowler to have dismissed the great Sir Don Bradman hit wicket? Okay, it is Blade Amarnath Gokhale. Answer is not clear.
We even entire current packet peak. Editor. Then we can you. And then.
Number 6. On which day India played into first test in 1982 and won the World Cup in 1983? 25 June. Question number 7. Bhanu Athia is the only Indian to have won an Oscar in the regular categories. For which category did she win the Golden Statuette? Bhanu Athia.
No.
Number 8. India achieved its first test victory against Australia in the year 1959-60. In which city did they win the test? So, Kanpur. Number 9. Which political party was formed by Subhash Chandra Bose? Which political party? It is AV Indian Forward Bloc. Number 10. Before he returned to India, which newspaper did Mahatma Gandhi publish in South Africa? Before he returned to India, so it is Indian Opinion. Number 11. For whose killing was the freedom fighter Bhagat Singh awarded the death sentence. It is IP. Number 12. Which of these rivers flows from east to west? River Narmada, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. Narmada. Number 30. Which Indian academician, activist, and social reformer was Mahatma Gandhi's mentor? It is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Where is the world's highest cricket ground located? It is number 15. Which social reformer founded the Brahma Samaj? Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Us.
Okay. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 33. Panoramic paintings. Look at these world famous painting and write their names. Okay. So let me start. First one is Mona Lisa.
Right there. It's
Number 2, she is girl with a pearl earring. Number 3, so it is the Starry Night. Okay. Next one, the number 4 is the Kiss. Kiss. Number 5, the birth of Venus. Now next number 6, it is the Arnolfini portrait. Earthly delight. Okay. Now next one, number 8 is the harvest tree, the harvesters. Number 9, Guernica. Number 10, it is Liberty leading the people. Liberty leading the people. Number 11, the scream. Last one, number 12. Impression sunrise.
Gì? Market or amazing. To wow, very soon.
Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now maybe let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 34. The Indian Parliament. 1. A dash motion against the government can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. Okay, no confidence.
Balik में तभी महंगा है अलवा महंगे
Number 2, Dash was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha. G.V. Mavlankar. Number 3, Dash are local self-government bodies in urban area municipalities. Number 4, the Dash constituency has the lowest number of voters in the country. Okay, so the Lakshdeep. Every member's seat has a Dash console with colored buttons, green for yes and red for no and yellow for abstain. So, voting. Number 6, the official transfer of Dash from the UK to India, the official transfer of power. From the UK to India took place in the Central Hall of the Parliament on 14-15 August 1947. Question number 7. The dash of every working day in the Parliament is referred to as the question hour. So, first term. Question number 8. Originally called House of Parliament, Dash was designed by Dash and this Dash and formally inaugurated in Dash. So, the answer is originally called House of Parliament, Sansad Bhavan. Okay, was designed by Edwin Lutyens. And formally inaugurated in which 1927. Okay. Question number 9. The Parliament building of India is dash in shape which represent continuity to which circular shape. Around 12 noon, MPs can discuss any important topic with prior notice to the speaker. Okay, so this is known as 0 hour. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 35. India's missile program. Okay, so India's integrated missiles development program IGMDP was started in 1982-83 by the Defense Research and Development Organization, okay, DRDO. So under the chairmanship of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who developed the satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 for the space research program, the work is carried out at the Defense Research Development Laboratory, DRDA, located at Hyderabad. So India has so far developed 5 missiles with Agni, Prithvi, Trishul, Nag and Akash. Number 1 is Agni type, surface to surface ballistic missile, range 1200 to 2000 km, aim to test the performance of an indigenously built heat shield, a hardware weapon delivery system. Test launch. First successful test launch was made on May 22, 1989 from Chandipur, Odisha. India is the 5th country to have developed this type long-range missile after USA, Russia, France and China. Nag type anti-tank missile, fire and forget, range 4 km, aim developed to counter on temporary advanced tank armor. It is the most advanced missile of its kind in the world. The system is to be inducted to complement French-acquired anti-tank missile Milan. Test launch. First test flight was made in 1998. Second test flight was made in June 1990. Prithvi type, surface to surface battlefield missile, range 150 km with 1000 kilo warhead and 250 km with 250 kg warhead. Aim to hit a target without the help of the Air Force. Test launch. The first test launch was made on 25th Feb 1998 from Rocket Launching Center, okay, Sriharikota. Second and third launches were made on September 27, 1989 and February 11, 1991, so respectively. So the fourth test launch was made on May 5, 1992 from Chandipur. After 10th and 11th test launches in 1993, it has been inducted in the Army. Type, low-level quick reaction surface-to-surface missile, range is 500 meter to 9 km. Aim developed for all 3 different services. Army and Air Force will use it against low-flying object and Navy will use its modified version against sea-skimming missiles. Test launch. The first test launch was made in September 1985 till 1991. More than 10 test launches were made. Akash, medium range surface to surface missile, range is 25 km. Okay, aim है a futuristic missile designed to defend large installation, okay, like oil fields, etc., against enemy air attacks. State-of-the-art technologies developed for missiles programs and other high technical systems are also being channelized to make available to the common man biomedical equipment at a fraction of the prevailing price of imported system. Okay, so write the full form of the following. So let me start. Number 1, CSIR. What is it? Council of Scientific and Council of Scientific and Number 2, ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Number 3, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research.
ये तेरे पहले ये लड़ाई है
Number 4, DDRD, Department of Defense Research and Development. Department of Defense Research and Development.
ये ताई ये ओ ताई
Number 5, DOS, DOS. It is Department of Space. Number 6, DAE. It is Department of Atomic Energy. Number 7, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Defense Research and Development Organization. Number 8, IGMDP. So it is India's Integrated Missiles.
अब मैं कह रही हूँ ये भी है
Integrated Missiles Development, DP, Development Program. DRDL. Number 9. What is the full form of DRDL? So it is Defense Research Development Lab. Defense Research Development Lab. Number 10, SLV. It is Satellite Sensing ISRO. Indian Space Research or Indian Space
Europe.
Space Research Organization. Okay. Indian Space Research on NASA. It is National Remote Okay. So number 13 is TERS. TERLS. It is Tundra Equatorial Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Rocket launching. The chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 36. Man of Vision. Do you know this great man? He is the founder of the International Art of Living Foundation. He travels to many countries every year to reinforce the message that all religions share common goals and values. So he is the recipient of numerous honor and also a contender for the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006. It is Sri Ravi Shankar. So the answer is Sri Ravi Shankar. Number 2. Immensely rich yoga experts started transcendental meditation movement in 1959, founded the Maharishi University of Management, Ramdev. Spiritual leader hailed as reincarnation of Shirdi Sai Baba. He has built hospital and educational institutions at Puttaparthi, Anantapur and Andhra Pradesh. So is Sri Satya Sai Baba. Number 4. Indian philosopher of international reputation at 20, he added a new sector, the Order of the Star of the East. ये हैं जिद्दू कृष्णमूर्ति. Number 5. Viewers on his TV show and attendees in his camp have reported significant improvement in their health from simple yoga exercise taught by him. So he founded the Patanjali Yogpeeth Trust. His practical approach in yoga has won him thousands of admirers. Immensely rich yoga experts started Transcendental Meditation movement in 1959, founded the Maharishi University of Management. So number 2 answer is Mahesh Yogi. Spiritual leader hailed as a reincarnation of Shirdi Sai Baba. He was built hospital and educational institutions at Puttaparthi, Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh. Sri Satya Sai Baba. Indian philosopher of international reputation at 20, he added a new sector, the Order of the Star of the East. तो ये जो जिद्दू कृष्णन मूर्ति. Number 5. Viewers on his TV show and attendees in his camp has reported significant improvement in their health from simple yoga exercises taught by him. He founded the Patanjali Yoga Trust. His practical approach in yoga has won him thousands of admirers throughout the world and made him a living symbol of Indian culture. Swami Ramdev. Six. Indian religious leader and founder of Ram Bhakti movement, regarded as one of the Vaishnavi gurus and has been given a place in temple worship in South India. Number 6 is Acharya Ramanujan. A saint philosopher who made India's greatness known to the world. He worked for the uplift of Hindu society, established Shri Ram Krishna Mission. कौन है? स्वामी विवेकानंद. Swami Vivekanand. Number 8. Charismatic God man of India, also known as Osho, set up ashram at Pune and a city on 64,000 acres in Oregon, USA. Later he turned controversial. So who is he? Acharya Rajneesh. Number 9. Philosopher and scholar revived Hindu religion, established a mass at the four corner of India. So number 9 is Shankaracharya. Number 10. One of the most illustrious social reformers and religious leaders born in Kerala, thinker and mystic who tried to improve the lot of backward classes, spread the message of equality of man irrespective of religion. Okay, Narayana Guru. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now we will begin the next chapter, chapter number 37. This is the chapter number 37, Global Religions. Question number 1. Read the description and write the names of religions followed by people across the world. Number 1. Dash is an ancient oriental religion based on the worship of the sun goddess Amaterasu. Shintoism. Number 2. Dash is a faith practiced by a large number of people across the world. It has no ceremonies, no clergy, and no sacraments. So which? Baha'i. Number 3. The teachings of Dash have been codified in scripture known as Tripitaka or the three baskets. It is Taoism. So answer is Taoism. Dash is the religion founded by Laozi. It has the core belief that this universe is made of two contrary but balancing forces, yin and yang. ये है हमारा teaching of dash have been codified in scripture known as uh, Tripitaka or the three baskets. ये है बुद्धिज्म.
Yes. Then that it is here.
Number 4, dash is the religion founded by Laozi. It has the full belief that this universe is made of two contrary but balancing forces, yin and yang. So this is Taoism. Dash means obeying the will of God and the law revealed to his prophet in the holy book. Islam. Number 6, Dash is a Hindu sect founded by Basava. It worships Lord Shiva as the only deity. So, which one? This is Lingayat. Number 7, Dash is the name given to the belief that God can be identified with all natural things and various forces of nature. So, ये है हमारा pantheism. Number 8, Dash is the religion of the Parsis. Aura Mazda is their god. ये है Zoroastrianism. Okay, so the students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 38. Living legends. The dead are often paid a tribute here. We remember the achievements of the living. So write the names of these living legends. Choose from the one. He is a world renowned cardiac surgeon. In 2001, he founded Narayana Hridayalaya, a multi-specialty hospital in Bengaluru. He is also a philanthropist and does not charge any fee from his poor patients. तो कौन है ये है डॉक्टर देवी शेट्टी.
So to prego też od... Aj. Ej.
Number 2, he is known as the Metro Man. He has been instrumental in making the Delhi Metro what it is today. So under his guidance, his team has been able to complete the different section of the metro by their target date or before and within their respective budgets. So who is he? Number 3, the world's most well-known sitar player. He is also a recipient of India's highest civilian award, Bharat, the Bharat रत्न. ये है रविशंकर. Number 4, he is very well known in the field of environment conservation. time and again he has spoken about climate change and the urgent need to solve the energy crisis by tapping solar energy. He is associated with many organizations that are working to create an awareness about the urgent need to save the environment. So who is he? ये हैं आर के पचौरी. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of India. He played during the 1970s and 1980s and set many world records. His technique against fast bowling, okay, is said to be better than even Sachin Tendulkar. He is now a cricket commentator. Sunil Gavaskar? Yes.
Yeah.
She was the best known playback singer of Bollywood. She has sung songs in more than 20 regional languages. She was a recipient of the Bharat Ratna, Lata Mangeshkar. He is a Carnatic vocalist and a playback singer. He has composed many ragas and have sung songs in many languages. He plays the mridangam and the violin. Krishna. M. Balamurli. M. Balamurli Krishna.
City. City.
Okay, student. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. Nobel Prize is a set of 5 separate prizes that according to Alfred Nobel's will of 1895 are awarded to those who during the previous year have conferred the greatest benefit to mankind. So look at the pictures given below and identify these Indians who have won the Nobel Prize. 1. Economics 2019 ये हैं अभिजीत बनर्जी. Number 2. Chemistry 2009 Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan. Ramakrishnan. Number 3. Literature 2001 V.S. Naipaul. Physics 1983 Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Number 5. Medicine 1968 Hargobind Khurana. Number 6. Economics 1998 Amartya Sen. Number 7. Peace ये है मदर टेरेसा बोजाक्यू. इनका नाम था एग्नेस बोजाक्यू. ठीक है टेरेसा?
we pay
QMC. Number 8, Physics 1930. So, who is C.V. Raman? यानी कि C. Venkatraman. Number 9, Literature, Rabindranath Tagore.
See.
So, student, all chapter of this units are completed here. Okay, now I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you.